Okay, so this is Emmeline's 9th driving lesson hour, and it's when I take her on a mock road test. So we'll see how she fares. A lot of slush. Okay, so are you ready for your mock road test?
I hope so.
Gonna find out, eh? So it's just like you're going for the real road test, just to see where you're at. See what your strengths are, what your weaknesses are, and what you need to work on. So you got one more hour after this, and so today we'll figure out what exactly, loose ends that we can work on for next time. She get all set up here. You all set? Perfect. Ready when you are.
Going out that way.
Yeah, we'll head over to LaSalle over there.
Okay. Very slushy.
Roads are okay. It's like driving through mashed potatoes there in some areas.